Welcome to Travel Around Suzy. Today we are in Manistee and we are on Lake Michigan. We are on Lake Michigan side. A couple weeks ago I went over to Lake Huron side. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you go back and watch the Lake Huron videos. But right now let's go explore Lake Michigan side in Manistee. We are close to the bridge, not close, but we're a couple hours from the bridge. And we got the beautiful lighthouse and we're gonna go in town. So stick around. So check this out. There's a playground, picnic area, some sun canopies, a nice cement slash sand walking area, and pretty awesome. I almost want to say them are fire rings, but I don't know what else they would be. They look like it. They've got some life jackets. And back in the day, the death killer, the ultimate getting sick merry-go-round. Tennis courts. They got some grills up in here, so picnic tables. Pretty cool. Even got some chairs out there and some benches out there. And then you got the seagulls. And then they tell you where to take a selfie. If I die, it's your guys' fault. Whee! Oh. Okay, now we just left the lighthouse and now we're going downtown just to see what is going on downtown. So let's just check it out. It is Sunday, so I'm assuming most of the shops are closed, but it's still nice to walk, and they do have a walking boardwalk, Riverwalk, so you can walk down the path, which we already did. There's the cruising, the sunset cruiser, Princess. So this is the Princess of Manistee, and you can do a cruise on the Princess for sunset tours. There you go. If you're in Manistee and want a sunset tour. You can do one here. And you can scan the code and book your tour. Here's some information about it. Can carry 149 passengers, 20 adults minimum, full service bar. There you go. Sunset cruises are 90 minutes. I don't know what a 501 cruise is. And then there's a family day cruise, which is 2 hours. So yeah. They even have an old theater. How cool is that? Hey guys, so I just walked down the river and I'm coming up to the city, and there is this really cool West Homes guided tours. You can self-guide. Now I'm here on a Sunday, so I'm assuming that you can't get the book on Sunday, but if you're ever up here in Manistee and want to walk through tour, I don't know if these tours are open for public, like you can walk in them. I do notice like this one, it must be on like YouTube or on a social app where you can walk through them. But these, I'm assuming, are private residents, so you can't walk through them. But it does give you information. And look at this one. So pretty. I love the stone houses. Yeah, so if you're ever in Manistee, check this out. Now this is the other side of the billboard, so it is in the shade, and I'm sorry that the lighting is terrible, but you can scan these QR codes and see the house tours. Here's the map. Very cool. And I suck at it. Yeah! No. Thank you all for watching this video of the Manistee. And I know it's quite windy here, so hopefully the wind is not terrible and you can hear me. But thank you all for watching my videos and watching through the end to this one. And I hope you enjoyed the Manistee I hope you enjoyed the overview of Manistee. And if you're looking for more of Michigan sites or Michigan beaches, click in this link over here and it will give you a playlist of the beautiful Michigan sightseeing nature walks. Safe travels.